You may already use the JVM without even knowing it. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, is the machine that you install on your computer to run your Java programs. The question is, do you need JVM to develop your Java programs? As we've seen in the How to Install Java video, or as you may know, when we wrote the Hello World Java program, we first created a Java file. Then we ran the javac command that generated a .class file. The javac command is part of a tool called JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, which is a set of tools for developing and running Java applications. Development tools are the compiler, the debugger, or the Javadoc. The compiler takes the Java code source, then generates the corresponding Java bytecode. So the source code is in the Java file, and the Java bytecode is in the .class file. The Java bytecode simply consists of a set of instructions constructed by operations code and operand. So when you run the javac command, you transform the code written in Java to a new intermediary language defined by operation codes and operands types. Now, to run the code, we will use the JRE. So, in other words, the JDK is a combination of the JRE and a set of development tools. After we run the code, we run the Java command to execute it. For that, we need the JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and to do this, it will need an abstract machine and a set of libraries. The libraries can be of three types: Java core libraries, extension classes, or application-level libraries. But the component that runs the code is the abstract machine, which is none other than the JVM. So to simplify, the JRE is the JVM responsible of running the Java bytecode and a set of classes. I said earlier that you need JVM to run your programs, but what is exactly a JVM and how does it run Java code? JVM, the Java Virtual Machine, is composed essentially of three layers: class loader, runtime area, and the execution engine. So when you run the Java command with the class file as a parameter, it starts the JVM, the given class is loaded, and its main method is called. The class loader is responsible of loading the bytecode, but also for linking the libraries and performing the required initializations. Now, the code is loaded in the runtime area, and after that, the execution starts. The execution will be done either by the interpreter or the JIT compiler. The interpreter will execute the code line by line, but when a repeated code is found, the JIT compiler will handle the execution of that code. It will compile it to machine code to be executed. This is why it is called the just-in-time compiler, and the repeated code is called a hotspot. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.